The first thing I do every morning before I even open my eyes fully is grab my phone. 45 minutes later, I'm still in bed, anxious, scattered, and my day hasn't even started yet. Sound familiar? Because I'm not alone. Studies show the average person checks their phone within 3 minutes of waking up. And that one habit, that single decision, quietly poisons everything that follows. So 7 days ago, I replaced my morning scroll with an ancient Japanese ritual. No apps, no content, no noise, just one practice that Japanese people have used for centuries to start their day with clarity. I documented every single day, and I want to show you exactly what happened. In Japan, there is a philosophy called Ma. Ma means intentional empty space. The Japanese believe that the space between things, the silence between sounds, the pause between actions, is just as important as the things themselves. Your phone destroys Ma completely. It fills every empty space with noise before your mind even has a chance to wake up. The ritual I chose is called Asa no Shukan, morning habit. Here's exactly what it involves. First, sit up slowly, no rushing, feet on the floor. Second, drink 1 full glass of cold water. Japanese call this mizu no gi, the water ceremony. Third, open a window, look outside for 2 full minutes. No thoughts required, just looking. Fourth, make 1 hot drink, green tea or plain hot water. Prepare it slowly. Hold the cup with both hands. Fifth, sit in silence for 5 minutes. No phone, no music, just you and the morning. Total time, 12 minutes. Day 1, honest results. Day 1 was uncomfortable. My hand reached for my phone 4 times in those 12 minutes. 4 times, I counted. The silence felt loud. My brain kept generating reasons to just quickly check 1 notification. But I stayed with it, and by the time I finished my tea, something small had shifted. I felt present, not calm exactly, but here, in my body, in my morning. Day 2 and 3. By day 2, the water ritual started feeling real. There's something deeply grounding about cold water first thing. Japanese wellness tradition says water in the morning wakes the organs, clears the mind, and signals the body that a new day has truly begun. Day 3 brought the first real test. I had urgent messages waiting. I knew they were there. My brain was screaming to check. I didn't. I did the ritual. I checked after. The messages were fine. They were always going to be fine. The shift, days 4 and 5. Day 4, something changed in how I moved through the morning. I noticed I was slower, not lazy slow, like each action had weight and meaning. Making tea felt like a meditation. Opening the window felt like a greeting. Day 5 was the breakthrough. I sat in my 5 minutes of silence and realized I wasn't fighting the quiet anymore. I was inside it. The Japanese concept of shizen, naturalness, started making sense in my body, not just in my head. Day 6, data check. By day 6, I started tracking measurable things. Morning anxiety down noticeably. I used to wake up with this low hum of dread. By day 6, it was simply gone. Focus during first work hour, significantly sharper. On phone mornings, I would spend my first hour scattered, rereading the same paragraph. On ritual mornings, I was in it immediately. One more thing I noticed, I was kinder. To myself, to people around me. Starting the day in stillness made me less reactive to everything that came after. Day 7, full reflection. Day 7, last day of the experiment. I woke up and I didn't reach for my phone, not because I was trying, just because the ritual had become the instinct. I sat by my open window with both hands around my teacup, and I thought about something a Japanese proverb says. Ichigo ichie, This moment, this meeting will never come again. That's what your phone steals from you every morning. Not just time, the irreplaceable firstness of a brand new day. So how do you actually start this tomorrow morning? Step 1. Put your phone on the other side of the room tonight. Physical distance is everything at 6 a.m. Step 2. Prepare your ritual the night before. Glass by the sink, tea ready to make, window you'll open. Step 3. Commit to just 12 minutes, not an hour, not a lifestyle overhaul. 12 minutes of Japanese morning space. Step 4. When your brain screams for the phone, and it will, say out loud, "Ma," empty space. This moment is the point. Step 5. Do it for 7 days before judging it. The first 3 days are withdrawal. Days 4 to 7 are the actual results. Cultural depth. Why this works. The reason this works isn't mystical. It's neuroscience meeting ancient wisdom. When you check your phone first thing, you immediately enter reactive mode. Your brain is responding to other people's priorities before it has even established its own. The Japanese ritual forces proactive mode. You decide the texture of your morning before the world gets to do it. Japanese culture has understood this for centuries through practices like cha-no-yu, the tea ceremony, which is essentially a technology for being fully present in one single moment. Honest closing. Will I do this forever? Yes, without question. Not because it was easy. It wasn't. Days 1 through 3 were genuinely uncomfortable. But because of how I feel when I arrive at my desk on ritual mornings versus phone mornings, the difference is not small. It is the difference between the whole day. Your phone will always be there. Your morning, that specific, unrepeatable morning, won't be. Call to action. Try this tomorrow, just one morning. Come back and tell me in the comments what your day 1 felt like. And if you want the full 7-day journal template I used during this experiment, it's linked below. Free. See you in the next one.